Good morning, students. I am your SST teacher Taruna Kapoor. Today we will talk about Civics Chapter 5 Judiciary. We all know that law play a very important role in our life and apply equally to everyone in the society. The Constitution of the India securing justice to all its citizens apart from securing liberty, equality, and promoting fraternity. India democracy, the Supreme Court play a very important role to provide the safeguards to the fundamental rights of citizens, which include providing fair justice also. We all know that judiciary play a very crucial role in the functioning of India democracy. Courts take decision on a very large scale to solve all the disputes. The judicial system provide a mechanism of court for resolving disputes between citizens and government, state government and central government. The judiciary also has the power to strike down the particular law passed by the parliament. Every citizen of India can approach the Supreme Court or the High Court if the fundamental rights have been violated. Judiciary is the guardian of the Constitution and the defender of fundamental rights of the people. India has an independent judiciary that allow the court to play a central role in ensuring that there is no misuse of power. It play a crucial role in protecting the fundamental rights of citizens because anyone go to the court if they believe that their rights have been violated. What is the structure of court in India? There are different level of court in our country. District level, high level and supreme court. Three different level of the court in our country are subordinate court or district court. Mostly cases interact with at this level. State level, high court is the highest court of the state and the Supreme Court of India is the highest judicial authority. It is located in New Delhi and presided over the Chief Justice of India. The decision made by the Supreme Court are binding on all the other courts in India. The appellate system. This means a person can appeal to a higher court if they believe that the judgment passed by the lower court is not justice. Does everyone have access to go to court? Yes, all the citizens of our country, either the person is rich or poor, any caste or creed, has the right to go to court. Legal procedure involves a lot of money and paperwork, which take up a lot of time also. Poor people often avoid to go to court to get justice. For this, the Supreme Court devised a new mechanism of PIL, public interest litigation. It allows any individual or organization to file a PIL in the High Court or the Supreme Court on the behalf of those whose rights have been violated. The legal process was greatly simplified and even a letter or telegram addressed to the Supreme Court or the High Court could go to treat as PIL. PIL was used to secure justice on a large number of issues such as rescuing bonded labor from inhuman work conditions and securing the release of prisoners in Bihar who had been kept in jail even after their punishment term was completed. Thank you very much.